Heyo kiddos, I cannot live stream today because, like, this, like, everything is just crappy today. But I'm doing an AJ update with my friends. Like, the spooky snow leopards is so cool. I think I might get one once I have a lot of gems. Yes. Hey! Hi. Hi, Wilds. We've also got more. Ooh, that looks cool. There's like all these. Oh! Oh, hi, Wild. Yeah, Wild is one of my best friends. Like, we should go. Okay. Let's go to the shop. Okay, yeah, let's go to the shop. So we're gonna go to the driver shop, and we're gonna show you guys the new spooky leopard. The spooky leopard. Spooky, scary skeletons that shiver down your spine. I really want to get one of these, but I literally don't have enough diamonds at all. Hey, look, Beppers came to the chat. Ba 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 ba. Oh, if you don't know the song, The Hanging Tree, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but today we just gonna be checking out my new intro. So here you go. I'm just gonna say, whoopee, and that's all I'm gonna do. And then this song will play. And it'll fade away. Yeah, and that's all. So we're gonna go follow my friend. So we with her, no. I like it too. That's one of my favorite songs. It's cool, but I can't get it yet. Until I get it, we can only see. Yeah. The pics of it and the dreams about it. It's so cool. I can't wait till, like, I get that much. This person, oh yeah, the new Grilly's Hideout. Yeah, we can go to the den shop, just like go to your den, and then you can go to the den shop, and I think you can see it. Wait, one second, look. I'll show you. Okay, so I think you can buy it in the diamond shop. Yeah, here's the Grilly's Hideout. Like, we're gonna go preview it. Right here. It's super cool. I like it. Yeah, go like this, and then we're not gonna buy it because I don't have enough gems or anything like that. That's gonna be fun, but that's gonna be amazing today. But
Alex, you need to go to sleep now.
okay, I'm sorry.
That's enough.
I was recording with my friend.
I'm recording you going to sleep.
Okay, guys, I have to leave now. I'm sorry. Goodbye.